I think this has to be the worst hold-up I have ever encountered, especially here in the southeast. A few days ago on my way to Onitsha, we got stuck in this hold-up along Enugu Onitsha Road. At first, we didn't know what caused it, so I decided to fly a drone over the area to see how far it stretched, and man, it was extremely long. We had already spent like 30 minutes over there and it didn't seem like the hold-up was clearing anytime soon. You know, Nigerian drivers, everyone was struggling to squeeze himself into one lane, not knowing or considering what the outcome was going to be later. Fortunately for us, we managed to get out of the first hold-up. It turned out it was caused by tanker drivers because one of their members was beaten up by Agboro boys at Nkwo Ezeagu Junction. After making our way out of that one hour later, we got stuck again. This time, it felt like there was no way out, because the road was blocked by contractors working on it. After a very long bargaining and dialogue that didn't yield any results, the drivers resorted to creating a path through the bush. That was how we managed to get out of that particular one after 2 hours. This is the kind of thing you see and experience on Nigerian roads if you are a frequent traveler. The craziness and chaos can be too much, and honestly, this is the worst I have ever seen here in the southeast. Kainawa.
Why for go to Kuku? Other on a good day.
Not for you. If I forgot to tell them,
I'm waiting for Ganama. I said, you want to be back at getting.
I'm tied to the gas that I put on the other side.
what's that difference, right? In the video. One.